A6, probably not. A6 would be bad. A6 would be really bad. Don't feel too bad about what. Where is Yagiz Khan? Yagiz Khan Erdogmus is currently playing in Citrus. He's playing in Citrus, I believe. Oh, let's play this. Let's play the box. This is what I played against Magnus Carlsen. I played this against Magnus Carlsen in the Chess Champions Tour Grand Final. Okay, he's gonna play this one. Play knight f6. Bishop d2 is not the move. I'm sure of that. Queen b6 maybe was also... Queen b6 was maybe better, but who cares? Let's play e6. What's the big deal? Jesus Christ, superstar. Bishop d7 was fine too. Okay, let's just... I think I'll just castle. I could play a6 first. Okay, now I'll play a6. Take the bishop. Problem for me here is that this position is very flat. It's actually a very flat position. It's very hard to win. I don't know if I like bishop f4. Yeah, now I've got e5 maybe. Let's go e5, attack the knight, bishop d6. Position's improving quite a bit. There's knight b3, which is not what I expected either. Here. I actually really am starting to like my position. D8 incoming. I mean, I should be okay here. I don't know if I'm like better, but I should be completely fine. I've got like D8 somewhere. Knight A5 doesn't actually threaten me. Wait a second. I guess I'll play rook A7. Expected that. I mean, I can play rook d8. Let's go h5 somewhere. Okay, I should probably make a quick move like this, maybe. Let's take and play like b5 here. If takes, I take. Queen e5. Position seems pretty decent for me. Take. Yeah, the problem with this position is very hard to win. There's a serious issue, actually. Like, I have a problem here with my pieces. Maybe I can go h5, h4, but we'll see. That's down the road. He's also got like rook b1 or something. There's 94, which I thought that was slightly inaccurate. Yeah, inaccurate. I got it. This is so we gotta move. Let's just trade. Magnus already won. How did Magnus already win again? What the heck is going on? How did he win his game? It's been like 2.5 minutes. He must have been playing a real player. I think crazy man with 30 lose 1 for 50. Jeez, insane. Actually insane. Like, I'm like, I mean, he's got to be playing a real player. Like, he can't just be playing an NPC at this point. So he takes. Okay, so waste. Thank you. Here. I know you guys are gonna like that NPC comment. Okay, Queen A6 at Bishop C4. So it's fine. Okay, now I probably win the game. Okay. Be very careful how I do this, though. I should be winning, I think. I fixed the pawns on the dark squares. Go here. Yeah, now I'm winning. I'm pretty confident I just put the knight here. Okay, we got the win. Get to 8 out of 9.